morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make smoky eye. First of all, I am going to put this one shade. Now I am going to put this one little bit of darker shade. I am going to put here on my upper eyelid. Slightly blend it. And I'm not going to cover the overall area, just upper eyelid. Now I'm going to use this one, like I showed. I'm going to put on my eyelashes line. And now I'm going to blend this eyeshadow with this brush. Now I'm going to do the same thing on my lower line. Okay, now I'm going to put this mascara. Now I'm going to put this one eyelashes. I hope you guys like this my eye makeup look. So if you did, do like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video with some new activity and creativity. Till then, always stay safe, take care, bye.